Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your revenue with Patreon step by step clearly. Start by creating a clear plan for your Patreon page. Define your target audience and identify what they value. Decide on the type of content you will offer exclusively to patrons. Set up your Patreon account by visiting the Patreon website. Choose a name for your page that reflects your brand and content. Fill out your page description, making it engaging and informative. Include your goals and what patrons can expect in exchange for their support. Create tier levels that offer different benefits to patrons at various price points. Ensure that each tier is attractive and provides real value. Consider offering limited-time promotions or early bird pricing to entice new patrons. Use high-quality images and visuals for your page to make it appealing. Develop a content strategy that outlines how frequently you will post for your patrons. Plan exclusive content such as behind-the-scenes footage, tutorials, or live Q&A sessions. Regularly communicate with your patrons through updates and messages. Promote your Patreon page across all of your social media channels. Create engaging posts that explain the benefits of joining your Patreon community. Collaborate with other creators to reach new audiences. Use email newsletters to inform your existing followers about your Patreon. Consider offering special merchandise or rewards for higher-tier patrons. Monitor your Patreon analytics to see what content resonates most with your audience. Adjust your strategy based on feedback and patron engagement. Keep innovating and offering fresh content to retain and grow your patron base. Engage with your patrons directly to build a strong community. Solicit feedback and adapt your offerings based on what patrons say they want. Stay consistent, as reliability will help maintain and increase your revenue in the long run. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.